Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 16 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find this option Notifications and Quick Settings. Then let's tap on status bar at the top. And here we've got the battery percentage, and it also strongly depends on the battery style. Let me explain. Right now I've got my percentage turned on. If you've got it turned off, it looks like it, right? So we've got only the battery indicator. For the horizontal one, which is currently applied, we can show the percentage inside the battery icon, outside it, or do not show it at all. However, if we will change the battery style to the vertical option, for example, it will change immediately. However, the battery percentage option also changed. So all we can do here is to tap on the switcher and show the battery percentage next to the battery icon. Obviously, it is connected with the size of the battery indicator. It is impossible to fit the percentage inside it. Same situation with the loop option. So in the loop, we've got also the percentage next to the battery icon, or do not show it at all, and same situation. So only in horizontal one, you've got 3 different options of showing the battery percentage. So just choose the option that you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.